This is Lux. We are here in Limpid Kai Lux Hotel here in CDO. Wait, let's see what's inside. Voila! They have coffee and everything. What's this? Ice. And this one are bags. The beds. So, andun yung isa sa ano guys. North TV malaki oh.